Did you know you can send SMS from OpenAI Codex using just your Android phone? By turning your device into an MCP server, your AI agent can fire off real text messages with a single command. Let me show you how to set it up. How does this solution work? OpenAI Codex connects to the Ozeki Android SMS MCP server through the MCP protocol, and when an SMS is sent, it travels from Codex to the Android phone, which then forwards it through a wireless mobile network to the SMS service provider for delivery to the recipient's phone number.
What is OpenAI Codex? OpenAI Codex is a terminal-based AI coding agent developed by OpenAI that allows developers to interact with AI models directly from the command line to automate development workflows by reading and writing files, executing commands, and calling external tools through MCP servers. What is an Android SMS MCP server? An Android SMS MCP server is a model context protocol server that runs directly on an Android smartphone and exposes SMS functionality, such as sending text messages and querying SIM subscriptions, as structured tools that allow any MCP-compatible AI client to send real SMS messages through the phone's SIM card to any phone number.
To use this solution, you need to download and install the Android SMS Gateway app on your Android phone. You can get the app directly or conveniently by scanning the provided QR code. Before using the MCP SMS server, you must install the Ozeki SMS client on your Android device to act as your local SMS gateway. Make sure both your Android device and the system running OpenAI Codex are on the same Wi-Fi network to allow the HTTP connection to work. Open the Ozeki SMS client app on your Android device, navigate to the MCP tab, and tap the toggle switch to start the server while granting the required SMS permissions. Once the status changes to running, copy the displayed API endpoint URL to use when configuring OpenAI Codex in the next step. To add the SMS MCP server config to OpenAI Codex, open a terminal and run the command to register the server using the provided URL. After launching Codex to load the registered server, run the MCP command to verify that Ozeki SMS MCP appears with a connected status. Type a plain language instruction in the prompt asking the AI to send an SMS to a specific phone number, and then confirm the security prompt to allow the external tool use. A successful response in the terminal confirms that your message has been passed to the Android gateway and queued for delivery. To confirm your SMS was sent, open the Ozeki SMS client app, navigate to the Settings tab, and tap the Log option. Select the MCP tab to view the incoming tool call requests from OpenAI Codex and the responses sent back, allowing you to verify the SMS was dispatched successfully. And that's a wrap. You can now send SMS from OpenAI Codex directly, using your Android phone as a local SMS gateway without relying on any cloud APIs. It's an incredibly powerful way to route messages securely through your own mobile connection. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit subscribe, check out the full guide at the URL in the description, and try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.